Welcome back to the channel. My name is Patrick and today I'm going to share with you a quick trade that I caught last night. So like this video, everything's about speed. In a second, I'm going to share that with you, but in return, all I ask is you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to continue supporting this channel. All right, let's get busy.
Okay, so this is a very interesting trade. This is what made me fall in love with this strategy or this technique, should I say. It is a strategy, supply and demand, but this is a technique to scalp. And I'm going to show you that right now. So some backdrop first off. So price has been consolidating most of this week, very choppy, very difficult to read. They catch some scalps, but it's been chopping around, and I know a lot of people lost some money this week. But price eventually broke out. So when it breaks out, it's a lot cleaner. We know where we could find our supply, demand zones, and so on. But before that, I've been keeping an eye on where price is on the daily. So this trade that I found was based on the daily. So as you can see, price has been trending down, and in its trajectory on the way down, it had left a lot of imbalances all the way. There's an imbalance there, there's an imbalance there, there's an imbalance there, but this has been visited. This one hasn't been visited onto that point. So there's been a few zones that hasn't been visited since it's gone down, i.e. this zone here. Yeah. So when price was chopping around here, I was looking over here all the way back in March 2022 to find an imbalance that hasn't been visited. So I saw that on the daily, went to H1 and I marked it out. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's all the way over there. I marked it out and I set a pending order. Completely forgot about it, left it there, and it's been pending for maybe about 2 or 3 weeks. And yesterday it hit. Very quick trade. So while price was consolidating, there was a lot of news released yesterday. There was interest rate decisions on the US dollar, and there was a news conference after. Something happened with that news conference. I don't know exactly what happened or what was said, but something amazing happened, and it caused price to push out aggressively. So here is the imbalance I mentioned, yeah, all the way back in February, right? So as you can see here, let's get rid of this box now. As you can see here, consolidation and aggressive selling, and price has not really come back to this zone since. So what I did was mark it out. I set my entry here and my potential stop loss would have been just above here. Yeah. So if price went over there, I didn't want to know. So that was about a, let's call that, wait, hold on. That's a 18 pip stop loss, okay? So it was reasonably tight for this strategy. If price went above that, I didn't want to know because, you know, it may have another agenda, which price is currently above there. So, you know, I just wanted that move, okay? So let's get back to where we were. So that's my entry. Let's see what happened, see how it played out. It's all about speed, this one. This is why I set pending orders. This is why it's an aggressive entry, because if I had waited, I would have missed that move. If I tried to do a market order, I would have missed that move. So on H1, you can see, you can't even see the move. It's just this big H1 candle. And as you can see, it looks like it broke my zone. Remember, my stop loss is here, 78. No, 7.5. Let's put my stop loss back so you can see. So my stop loss would have been about there. Yeah. So as you can see, it looked like it blew straight past. So let's have a look on the M5, see if we can see anything. So again, on the M5, you can't see what happened. It went past so quickly, you can't see what happened. So on the surface of things, it looked like I lost that trade. And that's what I thought. I had the pending order, checked my phone to see what happened with the news, and then my pending order had disappeared. I was like, what's going on? Then I went to my history, checked my P&L, and I saw I was $400 up. And I'm looking at M5. I can't see it. I can't see the trade. So I went over to M1, and that's the only place it's actually visible. So this trade was so quick. Hold up. This quick trade was so quick. It's only visible on M1. Yeah. So here it is here. So I set my TP for 10 pips. That's my trade there. I set my TP for 10 pips, and you know my loss, my risk was about 18 pips, and this is why I set it for 10 pips. Back testing. So look, as soon as it hit it there on this is a 1 minute candle. Hit it there. As soon as it hit it there, boom. Within a minute, 16 pips. Yeah. So this isn't a strategy. This is a technique. You know, it's like a flaw in the market, if you like. Like these orders needed to be filled before it continued. So it's not even a flaw in the market. It's just the market being very efficient. It's just cleaning up the mess it made. So it filled those orders and continued. And look, it's a cheat code, really. 10 pips, 16 pips, boom, and it continues. Amazing. 1 minute, $400. I was good, you know. And that's why I love this scalping on the H1 based on H1 using imbalances. It's my bread and butter, and this is why I could easily make money passively doing this. I do take losses occasionally, and it's when price has an agenda. Look, it had an agenda. It wanted to get up here, so it blew past quickly, but it did give me what I wanted before it got there. Yeah, and that's it really, and that's why I love this technique. So that's it. I'm gonna keep the video quick. I wanted to show you that so you see exactly why I scalp imbalances and why I set 10 pips and why I set certain parameters and what I look for and so on. And this is why I use this strategy. Then when you I mean, I was able to scalp this as well. This here, when price came in here, it printed there. I scalped that move as well just this morning, just before I did this video. So I'll show you my P&L. Show you, yeah, I'll show you my trade history so you know I'm not just talking it. So I've been messing around here, but this is the move I was talking about. I scalped this up there. That was about 10 pips, and also this beauty I mentioned. Let's just zoom in a little bit. So 1 and 5. So that's it there. Within that same 5 minute candle, that's it right there. It was so quick. Let's go to M1 so you can see how clean it is. The accuracy of this trade is, so clean, so quick. I was in and out before I even realized it. So there it is. Entered there, out there before price went up, and that's it. Yep. So I'm gonna keep it brief, wanting to keep this video short, and it's all about speed, baby. It's all about speed, and this is what this trade was all about today. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit that like button. I'm sure you've never seen this before. Hit that like button if you've never seen this before. If you want to stay updated with what's going on with the account, hit the subscribe button and continue supporting this channel. Signing out now. This is Patrick. Peace.